If you need to join a Tinkercad class, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a quick and easy way. Whether your teacher sent you a class link or gave you a class code, I'll show you exactly what to do so you can get into your class without confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's start with the easiest method first, which is joining with a class link. If your teacher gave you a direct link, all you need to do is click it. That link should take you straight to the Tinkercad class page. If you are not signed in yet, Tinkercad may ask you to log in or create a free account. Just follow the sign-in prompts on the screen. Once you are signed in, you should be automatically added to the class. This is usually the fastest way to join, because the link handles most of the setup for you. Now let's go over the second method, which is joining with a class code. First, open your browser and go to tinkercad.com. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click Join Now. From there, you should see an option that says Students Join a Class. Click that option because it is specifically for students entering an existing class. Next, type in the class code that your teacher gave you. Make sure you enter it carefully because class codes are case sensitive and even a small typing mistake can stop it from working. After you enter the code, Tinkercad may ask for your nickname if your teacher assigned one. If that happens, just type the nickname exactly as instructed. This is important because your teacher may use that nickname to identify you in the class roster. Once you finish entering the required information, complete the process and you should be added to the class. If something is not working, don't worry. There are a few quick fixes you can try. If the class code is not accepted, double-check the spelling with your teacher. Sometimes the issue is just a missing letter, extra space, or a code that was copied incorrectly. If you are already logged into a personal Tinkercad account, you may need to sign out first before joining the class. That is because Tinkercad sometimes needs you to enter the student class portal separately. So if the class page is not opening correctly, try logging out and then repeating the join process. And if you are a teacher instead of a student, the process is different. In that case, go to your Tinkercad dashboard, click Classes, and then choose Create New Class. That is where you can set up a new class for your students and generate the code or link they will use to join. So to recap, if you have a class link, click it and sign in when prompted. If you have a class code, go to tinkercad.com, select Join Now, choose Students Join a Class, and enter the code. And if anything goes wrong, check the code, sign out if needed, or confirm the class details with your teacher. If this video helped you join your Tinkercad class, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.